Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for layout. First, open Canva and choose a design type, like a social media post or a presentation. You can start with a blank canvas or select from thousands of professional templates. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to add and arrange text, images, and graphics. This guide will help you create stunning layouts efficiently, whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer. Achieving a balanced layout involves careful element placement. Canva's smart guides appear automatically to help you align objects perfectly, ensuring a clean and professional look. You can group several elements together to maintain their relative positions while moving or resizing them. Experiment with transparency and layering to create visual interest and guide the viewer's eye through your design effectively. Grids and frames are powerful tools for creating structured layouts. Grids help you divide your canvas into organized sections, perfect for photo collages or multi-column text. Frames allow you to drop images directly into predefined shapes, automatically cropping them to fit. There are hundreds of frame options available, from basic rectangles to intricate designs, giving your images a polished and professional appearance. To elevate your layouts, consider advanced techniques. Save your brand's specific color palettes and font combinations for consistent branding across all your designs. Utilize Canva's collaboration features to work seamlessly with team members, sharing feedback and making edits in real time. Remember to optimize your final design for its intended platform, ensuring it looks perfect whether it's a social media post or a printed flyer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.